is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. This is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. For the following, Ruby and buyers. Winter storm warning in effect from 5 p.m. Tuesday to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 11 inches, with the heaviest amounts favored over the plains just east and southeast of Denver. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour east of I-25 with some blowing and drifting snow. Where? Portions of east central, north central, and northeast Colorado. When? From 5 p.m. Tuesday to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. The heaviest snow will spread east across the plains through Tuesday night and continue into Wednesday morning. Snow decreases in intensity from west to east Wednesday afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Colorado can be obtained by calling 511 or by going to www.cotrip.org. The noon observations around snow may develop Tuesday night into...
All right then.